Well, Elon Musk in recent weeks announcing that he will be moving the corporate headquarters for SpaceX and X to Texas. Musk basing the move on a new California law that he called, quote, the last straw. Zooming out, though, the larger question that's looming is whether or not the recent move here by Musk is going to spur other companies to follow suit. Yahoo Finance's legal reporter Alexis Keenan has been digging into that question for us. Alexis, what did you find?
Hi, good morning. Yeah, so will Musk kind of spotlighting this issue spur other companies to follow suit? Corporate legal experts, corporate attorneys, they say maybe, but for now, don't hold your breath. Basically, what they say is that there's so many ways to look at where a corporation really calls its home, right? For one, you have the headquarters. That's what Musk was talking about last week with those SpaceX and X moves, saying he's going to move the headquarters from California to Texas. But you also have the state of incorporation, where Delaware is a popular pick, home to 67% of Fortune 500 companies still. And then you also have the economic center for companies, and that really has implications for their tax bases, where they're going to have to pay hefty fees to Uncle Sam and to the state. Now, the headquarters being just part of that equation, but over time, these legal experts say there could be a more significant shift if Musk is moving, in fact, his workforce, for example, his business operations, all shifting to Texas. That could be really significant. But they say at the same time, that's going to be very difficult because of California, because of Silicon Valley being such a talent hub for tech workers, that's not going to happen automatically, despite Texas maybe attracting a lot of tech workers over the last, let's say, 5 to 10 years, that's just not something that can happen right away. There's another wild card, though, and that is a new Delaware law that was passed and signed into law last week. And what it does is it lets corporations cede power to individuals, to entities, and it takes away shareholder power. And that's a big question of whether or not that's something that will make corporations stay and keep foot in Delaware, or if it's something that they say, hey, shareholders don't like this, and we're going to move our operations as well. So a lot of moving parts here, but if you take a look at Delaware, still a top state for corporations where companies can sue and be sued, also known widely for what Elon Musk has been contending with is its chancery court that has sophisticated business law acumen and is able to process equitable disputes there in that court. So very popular. But if you look in 2023, 59,729 companies chose to call Delaware their incorporation state. That was up from 2022, where it had 58,662, and then bouncing around a little bit because in 2021 they had 62,000 and a half incorporations. So the bottom line here is this is a question that has yet to be answered and something that we'll keep watching here.
All right, Alexis. So thank you so much for bringing us your reporting on this. As always, really appreciate it.